Y'all always need to do a wig cap check before the video starts. Wig cap check is to make sure my wig cap is down far just enough. I look dirty. Because if my wig cap is beyond a certain point, my head looks astronomically big. So, wig cap check, yeah. So today, we're doing a video for Ririhair. They comment for everybody else when it comes to the packaging. You remember when I said what did I forgot that company name? VV Hair or something like that. They packaging was the best packaging that I had. So they got some competition right here because this is cute. This is very cute. It's very high quality, and it makes me think that I'm like legit because companies that have packaging like this is like sending me packages. Like y'all really believe in me like that? Like y'all fuck with me? Okay. So that's the box. When you open her up, we got a thank you card. You're welcome. No, thank you. And then they have, oh, okay. So then we have the specs on my wig. Hey, someone's texting me. Why does this always happen? So it says hair type Indian virgin. It's an 18-inch, natural color, 130% density, a 4.5-inch part lace front wig. I think that's a decent amount of lace. I can't remember because I don't have like a ruler inside of my head, but I feel like that's a lot of lace, isn't it? Sorry, someone's texting me. Cap size is a small. I don't think I agree to that because my head is big as fuck. Lace color is a light brown. It is a pre-plucked hairline. We love that. And the whole front is bleached. And there's an elastic band, so I'm on that. Hopefully the wig fits. Small for me. I never would have picked that. Never would have picked that. I don't think I did. I could have, but I don't recall. Oh, they giving you a run for your money. VV Hair Show. Oh, sis, this not even like a cheap. I don't know why I was just brushing my head like I got a wig on. This is cute. What? I'm about to show that to my mama. Wig caps, of course, love that. Oh, it's straight. Why did I not know? Why didn't I know it was straight? I'm weird, aren't I? I don't know. I'm sorry. A lot of my wig boxes I actually throw away, but this one I'm gonna keep cause why wouldn't I? I like that. Yeah. Okay, we taking her out. We're taking her out. Told you the specs on sis already. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Look. So you remember when VV Hair Show, I was like so like amazed by like the little bra strap thing that they had in the wig. Sis. Yes. Sorry. Like they changed the game. Oh, okay. Yeah. What's up? That's how you know they legit when they got the extra big combs in the back. I feel you, sis. Blue Benjamin's on me the long way. Yep. Pre-bleached. Yep. 3 combs, yeah. Elastic band in the back. I mean, adjustable strap in the back, elastic band in this joint, yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Let's try it on real quick. I kind of always get the elastic band part kind of mixed up. Like, on which way it should be going. Oh, okay, wait. And I was afraid that this was not going to work. Oh, but she's worked? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And that extra big comb in the back is like so satisfying. Oh, okay. Let me go cut this lace. Oh, pre-plucked, they was not lying, sis. This might be a go-to wig. Put some little layers in her and curl her real cute. Get some flexi rods. Keep her some flexi rods. That's a look. Always. Yes, I lied. So I'm gonna style her first, and then I'm gonna cut the lace because I find that when I cut the lace, I find that when I'm like putting it on my mannequin head, it's easier to like put it on there with the lace still on there. Does that make sense? I don't know. I'm just gonna style her. Nothing too major. Give me a run for my money and just love. The ponytail is a little skimpy, but that's like my fault. I think I should have used a rubber band instead of a ponytail holder. But the hairline. Don't I always say that? But like, this is one of the better ones that I've had. And it's pre-plucked and the knots are bleached. So I'm thinking that's really what it's from. I need to touch up the curls just a little bit more. This wig honestly seems way longer than 18 inches. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you. So I took the wig down. Baby, the hairline. You know how much money people pay for wigs like this? That's already, you know what I'm saying, already doing its own thing. I love this, yeah. This might be my go-to wig, and it's not super duper long because y'all know I don't like all that hair on my neck when I'm, you know, at school and stuff, wearing my coat. Actually, do you know that? Have I ever told you that? I don't think so. Well, now you know. Sorry, I keep getting all in your face. I keep getting text. But, I'm just really trying to show y'all like how this hair is going out of my scalp. Give me a run for my money. Ooh. So how do y'all like? No lie. Probably top 2 hairlines that I've had from a wig straight out the box, and it ain't number 2. So do the math on that. I'm gonna let y'all figure it out. But y'all showed out with the hairline. I'm not gonna lie. So sis is definitely. I'm always stuttering. Sis is definitely lit. I was just taking pictures and I'm like, sis, you cute as heck. I'm trying to stop cursing. You're so cute. So if you do want to pick up this wig, you know I already got you. You know where to go. Everything is down in the description. So please check it out. I got so many other videos that I need to be doing, but I'm just sitting here Snapchatting it up with this wig on. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.